Yes, and like a thief in the night, she's back. How's that for dramatics? Hey guys, I'm back. It's been like 4 months and here I am. Welcome back to my little corner of Sin City. And as you can see, it looks a little different and I'm actually really excited about it. I feel like it's more like me than I've been able to manage to get across in all my other videos because I was working with such a small space. I had to kind of change it up all the time based on what was going on in my life. And now I have my own little corner to do stuff that's strictly just my stuff. And it's a little bit liberating. So here I am and it is good to be back. If you are watching this, chances are you are one of the awesome few that stuck with me through the 4 months of absence. And now you are here because you want to see what's up. And hey guys, what's up? Honestly, it feels good to be back. It feels good to be back doing what I love, right? Just for our own little bit of sanity. And now it seems like the perfect time to come back because just like you, I'm looking for something new. I really want the main focus to be about discovering new indie brands. I want to see what's out there. I want to see something that's going to blow me away. I want to get excited about makeup again in a way that I haven't been in a really long time. I want to see what's innovative, what people are really playing with. I already have a few indie brands in mind that I plan on testing already. We have on deck. First, we have Warrior Paint Ink Cosmetics. Here is their Neon palette. Here is their Fatal Attraction palette. And then we have Pretties for Your Face. Swatch Queen with her Retro Wave Blush palette. Kaima Cosmetics with To Die For Multichromes. Notoriously Morbid Cosmetics, also known for their multichromes. Concrete Minerals, beautiful, dark, and a little edgy. Last but not least, we have BitterLace Beauty. We'll just let the world know what's out there because if I'm searching, I figure I can't be the only one. So why not share that journey? Another thing I want to do on this channel is something called What's in Your Makeup? And I got a little help from my chemistry teacher mother, and she helped me put together a do-it-yourself way to test some of this stuff that might be in your makeup that's not supposed to be. So I'll be doing a little bit with fake makeup, like counterfeit makeup. I'll also be testing some just made in China type stuff at AliExpress, and I'll be testing high-end makeup palettes to see if maybe they're doing anything a little shady. Let's hope they're not, because I don't want to have to be worrying about what's in my makeup all the time. But I sacrifice for you guys. So that's something else that I have on the plate. Let me know what palettes you think might be a little sketch that you want me to test, and then we'll have some fun with it. I also plan on swatching these palettes, possibly doing comparison of palettes. And I know everybody does that, but who does the comparison and then tests them to see if they have any goodies? That's going to be new. So that's going to be something that I got planned and I cannot wait. That's going to be really fun for me. So in the future, we have indie brand search, indie brand reviews, indie brand testing, indie brand interviews maybe, if they would like. That would be awesome. But that is going to be the main focus of my channel. And I got to tell you, I feel good about it. I feel really excited about it because not only is it what I think that a lot of us need right now, but it's going to be a lot of fun kind of putting my hands in a lot of things that not a lot of people know about yet. So there's something very exciting and fulfilling about that. Plus, you're helping small business. So that's what we got going. That's what we're doing. So leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you agree about my format change. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if there's some things you'd like me to keep. Let me, if you missed the old background, any of it, let me know. And guys, I really missed you. So it feels really good to be back. I can't wait to see you next time in Sin City. I wish I had some music, but I got nothing. Oh wait, yes I do. Ha! Here you go.